Let me show you how you can start making money with CPA marketing, using the CPA URL locker tool. So first of all you want to come over to the CPA Grip. CPA Grip is a CPA network that allows you to create your account for free, without any approval request. But you can use any other CPA network, and you can apply this exact method or strategy to make money with CPA marketing. There are hundreds of different CPA networks that you can use to start making money online. Anyways, so once you'll log in to your account, then you'll head over to the monetization tools, then you'll go to the URL file lockers. And then here you'll click this button create new URL locker. Then here you'll check to agree to the terms of service, and you'll click this button continue. So after loading this page, first of all you'll go to the templates tab, and you want to choose this CAPTCHA template. Then you'll go back to the general tab, and here you can keep these as it is. You want to go to the locked URL, and here we want to set an URL as our locked URL. Once someone will complete a CPA offer, then they'll be redirected to this URL, whatever URL you put here. In short, people need to complete a CPA offer to be able to unlock this content. And to find out some interesting content that we can lock here, you want to come over to YouTube. And you want to search for some videos that people will enjoy and get excited to watch. So here is an example. You can search for caught on camera, and you want to press enter. And check this out guys. Each of these videos is different, and each of these videos has something mysterious that people will be excited to watch. So what you want to do, you want to open a video first. Then you'll click here on share. You'll copy the link of the video. Then your next step is to come over to Google, and you want to search for thumbnail grabber. And from here you'll open a website. Then you'll paste the URL here. And you want to download the image to your device. And after downloading the image, you'll go back to the URL locker, and you'll paste the video URL here as well. And then here you can say, after completion this video will be unlocked. And that's it, the URL locker is now ready. You'll now click here on save. So as you can see this is our locker for CPA marketing, so you'll click here on get links. And you want to copy the link of your locker. And now the next step you'll come over to Canva. And here you'll drag and drop the thumbnail image. Then you'll click on it. You'll click use in a design. And then here you'll go to the elements. You'll pick the square shape. And you want to cover the whole thumbnail with it. And then you'll change the color to black. Then you'll reduce the transparency to 60. And then here you'll search for play. And you want to pick a play icon from here. Then you'll change its color to white. And you can also set the transparency to 60. And once you complete this little task, then you'll click here on share, and you want to download it to your device. So if you're enjoying this video guys, then I want you to like this video for a little appreciation. And if you've still not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and tap the subscribe button today, and make sure to set the notification bell to all. Okay, so for the next step you'll come over to Google Sites, which is sites.google.com. And once you come to Google Sites, then you'll open a blank page. And here you want to remove this block. Then you'll grab the text box. And here you can simply copy and paste the title from the video. You can make it bold, and you can place it in the center. Then here you can drag and drop the image which you've downloaded from Canva. Then you want to make this image bigger, and you want to place it in the center. And after that you'll click on it. Then you'll click this link icon. And this is where you'll paste your CPA locker link. Then you'll click on apply. And then you'll click here on publish. And here you want to set a web address, so you can put anything, or you can simply put the title from the video. And you want to click on publish. So you can now copy your landing page link by clicking this icon. Then you'll click copy link. And now if you visit the link, then you can see the preview of it. So this is what people will see when they'll come to this page. And if someone clicks on this image to watch the video, then it'll redirect them to the locker page. And here they have to complete a CPA offer to watch the video. And if they complete a CPA offer, then you'll earn the CPA commission. And the commission can be higher or lower, it will depend on which country you are getting traffic from. So we have now the landing page ready, and now we want to drive traffic to it. So I'm gonna be showing you two different traffic sources in today's video. And the first traffic source that you can use to drive thousands of traffic easily is Pinterest. You wanna come over to Pinterest.com, and then you'll click here on Sign Up. Then you'll enter an email, you'll set a password, you'll enter your birth date and you wanna hit Continue. And after login into your account, you wanna click here on Create, then Create Pin. And here you'll upload the image. You can change the image size to Pinterest pin size using Canva. And then here you'll put the title from the video. And here you'll put your Google Sites link. Then before you make it publish, you'll click on Select. You wanna create a board for it. Then you'll give it a name here, and you wanna click Create. And then you wanna hit Publish. So that's the first way that you can use to drive traffic, and the second website that you can use to bring traffic is called Imager.com, or imgur.com. This website is kind of like Pinterest, so you want to head over to this website, and then you'll click here on Sign Up. And here you'll set a username, you'll enter your email, you'll set a password to these both fields, then you'll enter your phone number here, then you'll go to the next step, and you want to complete the registration process. So once you log into your account, then you'll click this button New Post. And here you can drag and drop the image. Then you'll put the title here. Then here you'll say, watch it here, and you want to paste your landing page link. And after that you'll click this button to Community, and then post publicly. So that was the second traffic source that you can use to drive traffic. And if you want my #1 recommendation training to learn how to make thousands of dollars online, using all sorts of free traffic sources, then make sure to check out the link in the description below. And if you want to learn more about CPA marketing,